What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of this channel. So in today's video we are after that sturgeon, man. Anyways, today is part 4 of that sturgeon hunt. Today is Tuesday. I got here like at 9:30. The tide prediction is at 10:30 in the morning, so I have to be quick on my introduction. Anyways, if you guys haven't watched part 1 and part 2 or part 3 of that sturgeon hunt, make sure you guys check out all of those videos before you go to this one, due to the fact that, you know, sturgeon fishing takes hard work. It takes dedication, motivation in order, you know, to land your first sturgeon ever. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a whole idea of how sturgeon fishing is. It's pretty hard, but if you keep trying, you'll get one guaranteed. That's a promise. So today I'm working with that 6-foot medium light Saltiga rod with a 4,000 size BG reel. I've switched my main line from 30-pound braid to 20-pound braid slick, working with a Carolina rig with a slider, 4-ounce pyramid weight. For my leader line, I'm working with a 60-pound mono. For my hook size, I'm working with a 6/0 barbless hook. So when it comes to sturgeon fishing, the regulations is that you have to work with a barbless hook. All right, let's get to it. So for today's bait, I'm working with live ghost shrimp. I've purchased this ghost shrimp from my local bait shop at Fisheries Supplies, located in San Jose, California. So if you guys want the location of my local bait shop, I'll put the description down below. All right, so when it comes to putting on bait, what I like to do is just grab one ghost shrimp, hold onto that hook, and just pierce it at the end of the tail through the head. And then this is where it gets really tricky, because you're going to feed the tail of that ghost shrimp onto the leader line of the hook. Make sure your hook is exposed. Also, you want to break off that claw, because this claw can, you know, cause you to miss that hook set. So make sure you guys break off that claw. And then let's go ahead and add another ghost shrimp. Just lay it on top of that first ghost shrimp that you hooked on. And this is where your magic thread does the work. You can purchase this magic thread at any local bait shop. If you guys want to visit my local bait shop, I'll put the description down below. So yeah, just go ahead and lay that second ghost shrimp onto the ghost shrimp you hook and wrap it around. Don't wrap it too tight, because you don't want your ghost shrimp to fall apart. Go all the way up to the leader line and pop it off. There you go. Time to cast in. Wish me luck, guys. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now we wait. Go ahead and loosen the drag. Not too loose, not too tight. Just perfect. Where like you can set the hook, and where like the sturgeon won't be able to snap off the line. So slightly tight, slightly loose. Just like that. Oh, there it is. Fish on, fish on. Fish on, baby, let's go. Fish on. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. Okay, working with 20-pound braid, so we gotta take it slow. Oh my goodness. Come on, baby, let us be a sturgeon. Yes, sir. Who say you can't fight a sturgeon on a 6-foot rod, medium light? Come on, baby. 20-pound braid, come on. I'm giving you a chance to escape, buddy. I'm not all about the catch, man. I'm all about the fight. Let's go. Yes, sir. Gotta get him tired. He is not done yet. Nope, don't go over there. Do not go over there. He's trying to get me stuck again. Woohoo! This guy is massive. Don't tangle me over there. We gotta walk in the mud, guys. Damn it. Working with the barbless hook. Look, you see how this fish is trying to get me stuck in the mud? Smart one. Smart guy. But not that smart. Woo, the water's cold. It's a big one, guys. Come on. I don't want him to go to that tree over there because I don't know how deep the water is. Come on, buddy, don't go over there. I can't have you going over there. Alright, man, you know what? You're gonna run? Go ahead, run. But you gotta make a U-turn, buddy. You gotta make a U-turn. I can't have you running to the right side. This is a big one, guys. See how it's pulling drag? I just hope he doesn't snap off. Oh, there you go. Come on, buddy. Is that all you got? Come on. You smart fish. Oh, it's a good thing it's high tide right now. Damn it. This guy is massive. Oh, okay. This guy's smart. He's going to the right side. Woo. Epic fight, guys. Epic fight. Come on, buddy. I don't know how deep the water is over here. I should have observed the area when it was low tide. But he's coming in. He's coming in. What the heck? Ho, 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 ho. He's coming. Run to the left, baby. Come on. I just wanna know what fish you are. I got wet for no reason. If you are not a sturgeon, I'ma be mad. Well, not really. Thanks for the fight. Oh, he's coming. Oh, wow. Whoa, it might be a sturgeon. It might be a sturgeon. I can see his head. Okay, let's get him tired. Oh my goodness. Come on, buddy. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I'm exhausted. Come on, buddy. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a freaking epic fight. This is what, this is what I'm here for. I want my redemption back. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched part 3 of my sturgeon hunt, I lost something really huge out here. Possibly 100-inch sturgeon. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll pop up the thumbnail right now. And I'll leave that description down below. Make sure you guys check that out. Oh my God. I just want to know what it is. Come on, buddy. Come close. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a big one. It's a freaking massive one. We are going to get him tired. I really want to wet my spool to make that braided line stronger, because once it starts to, grind back and forth, it becomes dry, and that's how you snap. Oh my goodness, I want to know what this is. I want to know what this is. Please do not snap. Oh, it looks like a sturgeon. It looks like a sturgeon, guys. It looks like a sturgeon. Oh, I'm tired. Come over here, buddy. Oh, dude, it's a sturgeon. It's a sturgeon, guys. It's a sturgeon. It's a sturgeon. It's a sturgeon, guys. It's a sturgeon. Okay. It's a sturgeon. Oh. It's a sturgeon. No, please don't snap. Okay, relax, Angel. You got him. It's a keeper sturgeon, guys. It's a keeper sturgeon. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, baby. That's how it's doing. That's how you do it, baby. Yes. Whew. Right under the lip. Barbless hook, baby. Woo! Oh. Hell yeah, baby. All right, guys, let's go ahead and measure him. Okay. Whoa, 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 relax. Relax, buddy. You freaking cut me earlier. To the fork, to the nostril. We got a 54-inch, guys. Keeper sturgeon. We got a keeper sturgeon, guys. 54-inch. I am shaking. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and tag them. We have to tag the sturgeon as soon as possible. Once it enters out of the water, you have to tag it. Month, December. Day. What's today's date? Where's my phone? Oh my goodness, my phone's gonna get wet. December 6th, guys. Location. Length 54, baby. Let's go. Okay. Tag it right by the tail. Just tie it on there. All right. There we go. Check that out, guys. And that's how it's done, man. All right, guys, we got a 54-inch sturgeon. Let's go ahead and explain some fun facts about sturgeons. Did you know sturgeons can live up to 100 years old, okay? For those that don't know, these sturgeons have these scaly bones on the side of their body, and this is what causes your line to snap off. Okay, these scales are called scutes. Okay, anyways, I'll put more information about sturgeons on the description down below if you guys are interested. So yeah, we did it. This might be the end for the sturgeon hunt, due to the fact that these prehistoric fishes are going extinct, and I don't want to keep targeting them. Anyways, it's time to haul this bad boy out and call it a day. Stick around. Yo, boy, I knew that I was going to get a sturgeon. That's why I brought this rope. Okay, so before we haul the sturgeon out, we have to bleed it out. All right, let's get to that. And this is why we got our e-bites, guys. It's because of these enormous prehistoric fish. Oh my God. And there you go. That's how you do it. Let's see if this bike rides. All right, riding a sturgeon. Check that out, guys. And we are off. Let's go. Chahoo! And there you go, guys. We made it to my car. Damn, I can't believe I did it. It took me 4 tries, but we did it. Anyways, I just want to let you guys know, man. If you believe in yourself, go for it, okay? Don't listen to nobody else but yourself. If you feel like working with a different rig setup, a different rod, do it. If you snap, you learn from your mistakes and you fix them. That's how real fishermen are made, man. Don't listen to nobody. If you have a dream, go after it. Today was the most amazing experience ever. I just want to let you guys know that this is sturgeon fishing. You literally have to, you know, go through multiple trips in order to get a sturgeon. It took me 4 tries, guys. I'm talking about nothing but skunks, nothing but, you know, snap-offs, oversized. But, you know, today was redemption and we did it. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the content of this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.